I really love coffee in the morning, but I've been drinking way too much of it. It's been giving me the jitters, and I've been feeling really dehydrated. I switched to something else, and I think you might enjoy it. Okay, so here's my little coffee bar. Got a Breville coffee maker. It's fantastic. This little guy in here, we found a caterpillar, and he's actually pupating. Anyways, that's neither here nor there. Here's my ginseng. I drink this in the morning, and it's real easy. It just it's like little granules. I mix it with a little bit of honey, and then I drink this at night. Now the reason why I do this in the day and this at night, supposedly doing the combo is supposed to kind of like awaken you spiritually, but whether that's true or not, I'm gonna show you how I make it. Fire up my hot water heater here. Get that going. So these little guys, it's just like little granules in there. So put this in there. I like honey on everything. I don't use sugar as a sweetener anymore. I mean, honey, I guess, is sugar in a way, but I just find it's a little better. Put a little honey in that sucker. Mix her up. Good to go. Can't say that I stopped drinking coffee, but instead of drinking like 30 ounces every morning, which I was doing, I just kind of switched to this, and I think this is a better alternative. It's also a nice little pick-me-up during the day. You just need like a little bit of an upper, you know? So just figured I'd share that with you guys. I'll put all the links in the bottom if you want to find this. I got all this stuff off Amazon, so if you want to get some yourself, just check the link below. I am an Amazon affiliate, so if you purchase through my link, it'll help me grow my channel on YouTube, Dave's Garage 365. Like and subscribe. See you guys. Have a great day.